In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a custom cake from Kroger online. By the end, you will have a complete order ready for pickup at your local store. First, open Kroger in your web browser. Go to the Kroger website. On the homepage, look for the sign-in area near the top. Then sign into your account using your usual details. Once you are signed in, select your store so the site knows where you want to pick up the cake. You will usually see your selected store name near the top of the page once this is set. Now that you are signed in and your store is chosen, it is time to find the custom cakes. Tap Search near the top of the page to open the search bar. From there, go to Bakery, either by choosing it from the menu or results that appear. In the Bakery section, look for custom cakes and select it. You should now see options for different cake styles and sizes. Click Order Cake or Start Customizing to begin building your own cake. After you click, the page will switch to a customization screen with several choices. Next up, you will customize the cake itself. Choose your cake size, such as a sheet cake or a round cake, depending on how many people you plan to serve. Then choose the cake flavor, like chocolate or vanilla, based on what your guests prefer. After that, choose the icing, paying attention to whether you want buttercream, whipped icing, or another option the page lists. Now select the design, which might include colors, themes, borders, or images, depending on what your store offers. As you pick options, the summary section on the page usually updates so you can see what you have chosen. Finally, add a cake message in the box provided, making sure names and ages are spelled correctly, since this is what the bakery will write on your cake. With your cake details set, you can move to checkout. Choose a pickup date from the calendar shown and make sure it matches the day you plan to visit the store. Many beginners forget to check the time window, so confirm that it works with your schedule. Next, review the order carefully, including size, flavor, icing, and message, to avoid last-minute changes at the store. Then pay online using the payment options shown on the screen. Once payment is processed, submit the order. After you submit, you should see an on-screen confirmation and receive an email with your order details. At this point, your cake is scheduled and you only need to pick it up. On your pickup date, go to your Kroger store, visit the bakery counter, which is usually near the bread and dessert area. Show your order confirmation on your phone or a printed copy so the staff can quickly find your cake. They will bring out your custom cake, and you can check the design and message before leaving. Once everything looks right, get your custom cake, and you are ready for your event. You just ordered a fully customized Kroger cake online and picked it up from the bakery counter. If this helped you get your cake order done smoothly, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple guides.